Hey there, Cherie here. Welcome to the channel. Well, I'm just doing a really quick video to share a sneak peek of a tutorial that I have coming up shortly. I took a panel, a quilt block panel, and I turned it into all kinds of things, including pillow covers. I also made some totes, and I made a quilt, and I made an apron. This little video here is just going through the process of me cutting up the panel and stitching the framing fabric around these really darling animal portraits. So I just did kind of strip piecing, framing each of the portraits. I used some of the floral print that was included on the panel to initially do some framing because I really did like that floral, and that's not a floral that was included in the fabric collection, but again, I just thought it was super cute, so I did that all around all four sides. This is the llama that I'm working with right now. I had to do some resizing because the strips weren't exactly even as I cut them, so I'm just trimming them down, making sure everything is the same size. I'm using my clear ruler, making sure that my corners are straight and 90 degrees. And yeah, I'm just continuing to piece and trim as I needed to get this these tiny little strips of fabric framed around this llama. But I think it was well worth the effort as it looks super cute. This little llama, I mean, I want a llama, but I turned it into a really cute pillow cover. And so make sure you check out the channel, subscribe to the channel, and watch the tutorial, the full tutorial on making this pillow.